Hi guys, welcome back to Hobby Baker's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a fondant tiger cake topper, for which I will need a ball of orange fondant. I'm going to shape it into a cone. Make sure the bottom of the cone is flat and the cone can stand without any support. Shape it into a nice tall cone and then insert a toothpick into it so that the structure can stand on its own later. It also helps us to fix the head. Now I'm taking another piece of fondant, rolling it into a log and cutting into 2 equal pieces, also cutting them into angles to form the hind legs of the tiger. Fix them onto the bottom of the cone, just like so. I'm again rolling another piece of fondant, this time little thinner and longer, and these will form the front legs of the tiger. Roll them and fix it until the top, like the neck of the tiger. Now I'm going to take 2 brown balls and press them between the fingers to form the paws of the tiger. Also, to give the dimension, I'm making small balls and fix them onto the paw. I'll take another ball of fondant to make the head of the tiger. Roll it nicely and seamlessly and make 2 indents with the fondant tool. To make the eyes of the tiger, add little bit of water and take 2 small balls of black fondant and press them into the holes that we made to form the eyes of the tiger. I'm taking a piece of light brown fondant, cutting it into 2 equal pieces and pressing them between fingers to form the nose of the tiger, or where the whiskers come. I'm gonna add it onto the face, and using a toothpick I'm going to make the pores to give that effect. With a fondant tool I'm making a hole for the mouth at the bottom, and I'll take a small piece of black fondant and make it into a triangle shape to form the nose of the tiger. Okay, he looks cute and perfect. I'm going to fix him onto the toothpick. Now I'll take 2 equal sized orange and brown fondants, and then I'll use my ball tool to press it. Now I'm putting those brown fondants to form the ears. I'll cut it at one side of each of those circles, and with the help of water I'm going to fix it onto the head, just giving that indent so that it will fix well. Now that the ears are done, I'll have to make the stripes, before which I'm going to add those eyes with the white fondant. Gives that extra effect to the tiger. I'll use my edible marker to make the stripes over the face and also onto both the hind and back legs and the back of the tiger. To make the tail of the tiger, I'll roll a small piece of fondant and cut it to the required size and fix it onto the back of the tiger. And using my edible marker, I'm going to give some stripes to the tiger just like so. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos.